Earthquake preparedness. Stay safe before, during, and after. Earthquakes can strike unexpectedly, leaving us with little time to react. Understanding how to prepare, respond, and recover is essential for your safety and well-being. Today, we'll explore all the crucial steps you need to take when it comes to earthquake preparedness. Before we dive into today's exciting video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest explorations and interesting facts. Before an earthquake, be proactive. The moments before an earthquake can be pivotal for your safety. Here are some vital actions to take. Secure your space. Start by ensuring that heavy furniture and appliances are anchored securely to walls. Identify safe spots. Familiarize yourself with safe locations in your home. In each room, identify sturdy tables or desks where you can take cover. Develop a plan. It's essential that everyone in your household knows how to access emergency supplies and who to contact if you're apart during an earthquake. Gather emergency supplies. Create an emergency kit filled with essentials like water, a first aid kit, snacks, and sturdy shoes. During an earthquake, act quickly. When the ground begins to shake, your response could mean the difference between safety and injury. Stay indoors. If you're indoors, quickly drop under a sturdy piece of furniture like a desk or table. Protect your head and neck with one arm or hand, while the other hand holds on. If you're outside, move to an open area away from buildings, streetlights, and utility wires. Stay there until the shaking stops, as many injuries occur from debris falling after the initial quake. In a vehicle, pull over to a clear area, stop the vehicle, and remain inside until the shaking subsides. Avoid stopping under overpasses or near tall structures that could fall. For those with mobility aids, if you're using a wheelchair or walker, lock your wheels and remain seated until the shaking stops for optimal safety. After an earthquake, stay alert. Once the shaking ceases, it's crucial to proceed carefully. Check for injuries, assess yourself and others for injuries, and provide first aid where necessary. Don't move seriously injured individuals unless they are in immediate danger. Watch for hazards. Look for potential dangers around you, such as gas leaks, fires, or structural damage to buildings. If you smell gas, shut off the gas supply if you can and evacuate the area. Stay informed. Tune into local news stations or radio broadcasts to get updates about the situation and any aftershocks that may occur. Reach out for help. If you need assistance, don't hesitate to contact emergency services or your support network. Share information about your safety and well-being with family and friends. Prepare for aftershocks. Aftershocks are common after the initial quake. Be ready to drop, cover, and hold on if they occur. Conclude with preparedness. Remember, it's impossible to predict when an earthquake might strike. However, being prepared can significantly increase your safety. By taking the time to secure your space, develop a plan, and stay informed, you'll be well equipped to handle whatever comes your way. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth explorations and interesting facts.